Hi Carrie, how's it going?
Good, thank you. You?
Not too bad, not too bad. Hey, do you remember entering a competition to win a ride on Josh Brookes' bike?
Oh my God, you're kidding me.
Well, I just wanted to let you know that the competition's finishing soon, so don't forget. No, I'm joking.
Oh.
No, you've made it to the final 5.
When I got that phone call, unbelievable. I actually thought it was a wind-up. I honestly thought it was a wind-up.
I was in disbelief that I've even got the opportunity to possibly ride Josh Brookes' bike. It's unreal.
It was surreal. You enter these sort of competitions, but you never expect to win or get this far.
We're in with a chance here, 5 of us. I know it's a 1 in 5 chance, but to have that chance is something else.
It's the stuff of dreams, isn't it? Even just that opportunity to be the final 5 and then to go out and go on track with Chris Walker. Fantastic hero.
Excited, amazed about the opportunity, of what it could possibly entail as well. This chance, and just today, just riding that V4's, amazing.
Meeting Josh was amazing. He's such a lovely guy. He just knows so much.
To get to follow Chris walk around, follow his lines, and what an opportunity alone.
I always have to pinch myself sometimes. I get to ride the bike I get to ride. For someone to get that experience, to me, it just shouts unique. Just for the fact that they get to go out on a live track just after the Superbike session is finished. All the marshals, the atmosphere, spectators and things like that, they're going on to what essentially is a live track of what all us top-level riders experience. I'll roll in off the track from my final laps. If it needs tyres, because I've worn them out or something, it'll get new tyres. But apart from that, they'll get the bike as I finish with it.
First thing, don't stall it, don't stall it. Everyone's watching, don't stall it.
It's a chance of a lifetime, and it's just going to be a thing of a lifetime if I get to do it.
I'm still pinching myself that I'm here. I've still got the opportunity to ride Josh Brookes' British Superbike. Fantastic.
To come here and actually meet a superstar and then be in with a chance of actually riding his bike, I don't think many people have had that opportunity.
I've kind of done everything I think that I can do now. Obviously, it's a competition, and the competition's strong.
Congratulations for making it this far. Well done. Look, it has been genuinely a difficult decision for us to make. We've taken in what Josh has said. Everyone here has had an opinion, and seen out on the track, seen from the side of the track, and it's an incredible prize. So we had to make a decision very, very carefully. But it isn't just the only prize on offer, is it, Chris?
No, there is for the runners-up, because you've all done such a fantastic job, because obviously there's only one winner today. The main prize that Bennetts have sorted with BSB and obviously the PBM team is something that I don't believe will ever be repeated, even if you stay on board it, the winner, just because of the magnitude of it, essentially. For the rest of you that have done such a sterling job, and I mean that genuinely, all of you today have surprised me, really, how you've set about the day, how you've tackled the day. They've organised for a round of your choice for the 4 runners-up to basically lead the pace bike out at the start of the BSB for both races on the day. I've enjoyed riding with all of you for different reasons. You've all tackled it amazingly well. There can only be one winner. Here we go, that moment awaits.
There can be one winner, Chris. That name is?
And the winner is? Dan. Well done, mate.
I'm shocked, I can't believe it.
Dan, I feel a bit emotional, and I've not just been told that I'm about to ride Josh Brookes' actual BSB factory PBM Ducati in a few weeks' time. Has it sunk in yet?
No, it's incredible. I don't think this is going to sink in for a long time. Maybe not until the day I'm actually back here, ready to sit on that bike.
Because it's going to be like a few weeks' time. You're going to roll out of probably garage number 1, roll down pit lane with Josh Brookes following you on his 200 odd brake horsepower superbike. It's going to be pretty immense, isn't it?
Oh, awesome! It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. You know, I've never even rode this circuit until today, so to actually get to come back here and do some laps on Josh Brookes' bike, I mean, wow! I honestly don't know what to say. Just really appreciate the opportunity.
Because I saw your face as they announced the winner, and I thought even then you're in shock, and now I don't think it's sunk in yet.
No, it hasn't. I'm going to be speechless, I think, for a little while.
So it's worth entering Bennetts Awards as a Bennetts Awards customer. Simply just signed up and you're away, and now this has opened the doors to once in a lifetime opportunity.
Definitely. I'd recommend anyone else to sign up to these competitions. I honestly thought it never happened to me, but yeah, here I am, over the moon, absolutely over the moon.
And how have you found today? Because you've rode the V4S, you've had laps with Chris Walker, you've done all the different assessments, and our judging panel thought you were the chosen one to ride the bike. But it's been overall a great day.
Just getting to follow Chris Walker around, follow some lines, that was incredible itself. You know, taking that away from this experience is amazing. And now obviously winning it, I mean, I don't know what to say.
So between now, like you say, got a few weeks' time, what are you going to do? Are you going to watch some onboards of Josh Brookes? Are you going to do some laps of Donington on your PC?
I'll probably just try and get some road miles on my bike, I think, just to get back in tune with it all. I've been off the bike so long, amazing. So,
and just in a couple of lines, so how sum up today and the whole thing, how would you sum it up?
My mind is blown. Honestly, I honestly don't know what to say. To be given this opportunity is, I mean, who else gets to ride a BSB bike other than the racers? You know?
Brilliant. Well, you deserved it. The judging panel thought you were the chosen one today, so enjoy it, and I'm excited for you. I can't wait to see it happen in a few weeks' time.
I will. Thank you ever so much for voting for me. Thank you.
Happy?
Rolling.
Good.